Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure both the AirPods Pro and the charging case have enough power. Plug in or place them on a Qi charger until they read 20%. Once done, open the case lid beside your iPhone or other device and keep Bluetooth enabled. If the auto prompt doesn't appear, press and hold the small setup button on the back of the case for a few seconds until the light pulses. This forces pairing mode so your device can discover the AirPods. You should now focus on fit and control behavior. Replace ear tips until you hear a clear, balanced seal. Use the iOS ear tip fit test for accuracy. Next, go to Settings Bluetooth AirPods Pro to customize press and squeeze gestures, including single press or press and hold actions, so controls match how you use them. Also, make sure you understand noise control modes. Active noise cancellation for focus, transparency to hear surroundings, and off when you want neutral sound. Switch quickly from the stem. You're now ready for routine use. Rely on automatic device switching and spatial audio when available for immersive sound. If you run into issues, first unpair and repair. If that fails, reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, which restores defaults. Make sure to clean ear tips and charging contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth, and check for firmware updates in settings to fix bugs. This resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.